Hello, beautiful people, and as always, welcome back. So in the past, we've spoken about the different types of rights that corresponds with different types of law, that corresponds with different types of venues, different types of court, the flaw within civil right, criminal right, and the delineation between public right and private right, and the trickery behind how they do it. Most of those are in the public on YouTube. Here is the part where you begin to really function with it that it's not on YouTube. As always, they would always tell it to you. Civil cover sheet. Some may already know, some may not know. This is basically the cover sheet that you would fill out when you sue or initiate a claim in a federal jurisdiction. If you pay very close attention to it, zoom this in. It tells you nature of suit, meaning the foundation of what you're doing. Based on what you click and select in this fourth section called nature of suit, this is what determines what type of acting judge they assign to your case. You've ever noticed when you initiate a suit, no judge is assigned, but at a later date, the judge is assigned. The way those judges are assigned is because just like there are different types of laws, just like there are different types of rights that align with those types of laws, there are different types of judges. Just like there are different types of lawyers. There's lawyers that deal with divorce. They're divorce lawyers. Different lawyers that deals with constitutional claim, constitutional lawyers. There are lawyers that deals with personal injury lawyers. You see them on poster boards. There are lawyers that only deal with mortgage situation. That's them. There are lawyers that only deal with insurance fraud. Different types of lawyers. Because these people comprehend that there are different types of rights that goes along with different types of laws that govern those rights. And thus, there are different types of acting judges that will only be able to hear certain cases. Some of the reason why many people fail to state a claim is because of the beginning portion like this. Because they themselves, in truth, as harsh as it may sound, they don't know their rights. And because they don't know their rights, they start off with the wrong foot. Because they start off with the wrong foot, they are placed in the wrong category, and they are easily shunned, overlooked, and dismissed, and things get frustrating. These are the subtleties that one must pay attention to in knowing the different types of rights aligned with different types of laws, which aligns with the different types of judges. There's one form of action, the civil action. It doesn't say civil rights, it doesn't say civil law. This is where legalese comes in. The term civil action, civil law, civil right, different things. In this case, civil action refers to the use of pen and paper, your pen and paper game. The law recognizes certain rights as belonging to every individual, such as the right to personal security, aka copyright, trademark, patent, trade name, and see how they use these specific verbiage such as right to personal security, to liberty, to property, to reputation. It mimics exactly the same thing here within 4th and 5th Amendment. The right of the people to be secured in their persons, houses, papers in effect, against a reasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated. It's literally that bridge between at law and equity. You want to properly transition into equity? This is it right here. This is it right here. You want to properly access federal jurisdiction where at law and equity has been homogenized? This is it right here. The full 40 minutes video is on the Patreon. Take care and best of luck.